Good morning, everyone! Good morning! Sabihin ko sa inyo, one of the best investments is real estate. Pansin niyo yung mga taong conservative investors na mayayaman, they usually invest their money in stocks, okay? Kumbaga mga share sa kumpanya most of the time, or real estate. Real estate for me is the safest. Bakit? Kung bumili ka ng lupa, tumataas ang presyo niyan. So, investment talaga siya. Second, hindi mo nung mabenta yan, pwede mo yung parenta. So, wala kang lugi. There are some people, you'll be surprised, they don't have the money, but they will find a way to buy that house. Kaya magkautang-utang sila gagawin nila. Kasi nga, they're willing to take the risk because they know it's worth it. Everybody say it's worth it. Yeah. Real estate investments are worth it. Ito isipin nyo, it is not impossible that your clients are big spenders. It is not impossible na yung kliyente na nakakausap nyo, maraming pang well-dust na pera. Hindi lang halata sa itsura nila. Do you make sense? Tingnan niyo yung tao sa tabi nyo, tingnan nyo. Tanongin niyo yung tao sa tabi nyo, sabi nyo, big spender ka ba? Tapos sagutin nyo. Isagot, isagot. Malapit na. Nakita ko yung iba naman sa kalooban eh. Big spender ba ako? Diba? I-attract nyo yun. Yung gusto nyo, i-manifest nyo. Everybody read?
People they like.
Do you want your clients to like you?
Yes!
Look at the person beside you and tell them, I like you. Sagutin niyo sila, I like you too. Sanasan niyo na ba yung may binili kayong bagay? Pag uwi niyo, ba't ko binili ito? Hindi naman kailangan ito. Palakas sa ito. Pero binili niyo siya kasi yung nagbenta sa inyo, parang asaya niya kausap, parang bait niya, parang ang galing niya magsalita, parang alam mo yung tao na ito, sobrang nakaka-relate ako dito eh. Binibenta mo, binili mo na yan. Ha?
Nabudol po.
Exactly, nabudol. Sino lesson natin ngayon? Medyo na. Yun yung point ko. We make decisions because of our emotions. Mga maraming tao, mas madalas, binibili natin ng isang bagay, not just because kailangan natin. Minsan, emotion. O, bigyan ko kayo ng example, mas malinaw. Magbibenta ako ng 2 bahay. Kasi, 2 houses, identical. Maganda location, maganda quality, maganda lahat. Malinis papel, okay lahat. Same quality same location, same lahat. Same price. Yung isang tao na nagbibenta sa'yo, hindi mo kilala. Yung isang tao na nagbibenta sa'yo, kaibigan mo. Pareho silang mabait, pareho silang may insura, pareho silang professional. Pero ito, may mula nakilala versus itong tao na ito na 5 taon mo nakilala. Kanino ka bibili? Sa makilala mo. Kasi you have an emotional connection with that person. Kasi 5 taon mo na siyang kilala. You've shared happy moments together, you've shared sad times together, marami na rin kayo naging conversation. So in short, may connection kayo. Everybody say connection.
Connection.
Yan. So, a part of our lesson today is I'm going to teach you how to build connection with your buyer in 5 minutes. Hindi lang kayo aware, naranasan nyo na yan.
Hello everyone, my name is Coach Jeric. If you would like to have seminars on leadership, sales, public speaking, customer service, time management, workshops for mental and physical wellness, and motivational talks, send me an email or a private message. Thanks for watching and see you soon.